We're live. We're live.
Just one moment. We've got to get the audio done. Okay, go ahead.
Meeting's called to order for the AAB Board, and it is August the 6th, Thursday, and it is now 9:20 a.m. And the first place of business is to do our Pledge of Allegiance. I ask you to all stand. Ready? Salute. I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okey dokey. Thank you. Next item is the public comments. If anybody in the audience here has any public comments to address to the board under the jurisdictions of the board, that is not appearing in the agenda, the board will not take action on any items presented under the public comment. Do we have any public comments? Seeing there is not, we'll move forward to number 4, consent calendar. All matters listed under the consent calendar are considered to be routine and will be enacted in one motion. Do we have a motion for the consent calendar?
I make a motion to approve the consent calendar.
I second it.
We have a first and second. All in favor? Aye.
Aye.
All opposed? None. Okay, moving on to number 5, hearings. All parties that are going to witness in attendance is to provide testimony for the scheduled hearing as listed below. Do we have any parties that are going to speak on behalf? We do?
All three.
Okay, so we go to each item first. And the first one is the 5A, the Yosemite Hotel, AAB 00030, LLC 24R006. Do we have a comment on that?
Yes, Brian Glover from the Assessor's Office. Sarah received stipulations on 5A, 5B, 5C, and 5D yesterday.
Okay, good.
Those have been signed by both the agent and the assessor, and I believe we're
Just going to make a
provided
motion to approve them.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go with that.
I'd be happy to go over them if you have any questions, but.
Well, there was a 5D also handed to us.
Correct.
And a 5E.
Yeah, 5A, B, and C are all similar properties next to each other. They are all in the same.
Recording in progress.
They're all in the same situation. 5D is the same applicant, but a different property here in town. But we've come to agreements on all 4 of them.
And 5E was withdrawn?
No, A, B, and C, and D all have value stipulations.
Let's go with that, okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we're going to start with 5A. Do we have a motion to approve the stipulated value? Do you have that one, everybody here? It's the stipulated value for $13,684,810.
No, that's good.
That is the correct value that's listed?
Is that the correct amount? Yeah. I make a motion, we accept the stipulated value.
I second it.
Have a first and second, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed, none. So that is admitted. So the next one will be 5B, and this is with the Hotel Yosemite Hotel 2 LLC. This is 24R021, and the correct stipulated value will be $13,341,630. Let's come to the agreement.
I make a motion, we accept the stipulated value.
And I second it.
We have a first and second, all in favor? All opposed, none. Moving on to 5C. This is the, also the Yosemite Hotel Third LLC, 24R022, and this is a stipulated value of $12,703,870. Do we have a motion?
I motion that we accept that.
Second?
I first and second, all in favor?
Aye.
Okay, all opposed, none. All right, moving on to 5D. This is also the, this is a GAHC4 Madeira CASH LLC. The number is 24R008, and the correct stipulated value will be $10,496,570. Do we have a motion?
I motion that we accept that value.
Second.
I have a first and second. All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? None. Okay. Now we're going to 5E. And, 5E. 5E is the withdrawal that we just received, and that was for MHC 230 LLC. And this is, I believe, the Cedar Creek, and that is 24R008.
009.
Yeah, correction, it's
Sorry.
009.
Correction, I stand up.
Yeah, excuse me, Brian from the assessor's office. The property under appeal on 24R009 is a mini storage facility in Chowchilla.
Oh, yes. Okay, that's the 5E,
Correct. Cedar Creek was 5D.
5D, I'm sorry. I got confused there. Okay, so 5E is the, anyway, that one is the one that we got the withdrawal, and we have a motion to go ahead and withdraw it.
Make a motion to accept the withdrawal.
And I second that.
First and second, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed, none. Okay, moving on to 5F. This is AAB 0042, John Bean Technology, 24R024. What do we have on this one?
Oh, this is Troy Cooper representing the assessor's office. John Bean Technology has not had any communication with our office since the applications was filed. Our assessment was based on what they reported on their business property statement. Therefore, I would request that it's be denied for lack of appearance. Thank you.
Okay, so,
So you want it withdrawn with prejudice? Okay, thank you.
with prejudice?
And with prejudice, meaning, Tom, that that he cannot bring that up again? Okay.
Correct.
Okay, so we have, do we have a motion to withdraw
With prejudice?
with prejudice?
I motion that.
Second.
We have
For
first and
clarity, it's denied with prejudice?
second.
Not
Denied
withdrawn?
with
Yeah,
prejudice.
denied.
Okay, thank you.
Correction.
With prejudice. Okay, so he can't come back. This is John Bean. Moving on to 5G through, this is the Todd Phillips trustee, 25S001. Now, how are you going to handle this? This is all the same person up to 5O. Do we have to go, what instructions do we have with that? Do we do each one?
Well, I think, yeah.
Okay. We have somebody here, so we need to go ahead and swear him in.
Yes.
Okay. Can you please state your name
Yes, Colton Ballinger.
and who you're representing and,
So I'm an associate attorney at Fenimore Law in Fresno. We represent Todd D. Phillips, the trustee, to the best of my understanding. I was somewhat uninvolved with the trust disputes and the trust administration process, so I am, solely here to speak on the tax appeals matter.
okay, being that it's been a limited time, I believe it's been over 2 years and the time span has expired, what do you say, Tom? Do we need to have him sign a waiver, a stipulation? I mean, a waiver to continue?
If I may add something, Brian sent over the waiver yesterday. We're more than happy to sign it today. The only holdup really is that we are having trouble communicating with the beneficiaries, really just to get their approval as to whether or not they are going to accept the proposed values. I think we have received confirmation that SO1 and SO3 will be accepted, which I hope to get done today. But we are still awaiting on confirmation from the other beneficiary as to SO2, SO4 through SO9. So the majority of them we have not received confirmation on yet, which
Did any of the beneficiaries confirm, even though you didn't get them all?
yes, one did. The properties are being distributed largely just to two beneficiaries. One of the beneficiaries that's receiving SO1 and SO3 did confirm. So we are ready to sign the stipulations, and I'm sure me and Brian will coordinate to get that done later today. I was just here really to sign this waiver and give an explanation as to the delay.
How many beneficiaries are there?
Just two.
Okay.
That's what I was going
So you've got one of the two.
One of the two. And we've had tentative.
Sufficient to go ahead and sign then, if you've got half.
Well, it's considerably less than half. The beneficiary that hasn't got to us is receiving 7 of the 9 properties.
Oh,
If it makes you guys feel better, the valley that had the largest discrepancy, though, was just stipulated to, so, which I believe was SO1. So ultimately, I think this is a good result for both parties. And again, we're just having trouble getting in touch with the other beneficiary, but we hope to have that done in another day or two.
Thank you. Brian, do we have anything to add?
Well, I mean, we've come up with what I think are reasonable stipulation values, and we put a lot of time into it. So I would like, to see
Good.
this completed as soon as
Continue.
possible. But
Okay.
I would also be amenable to, seeing if we can get the acceptance on the other parcels.
in other words, you've worked hard.
So has our office, believe me.
Do they live locally?
To the best of my knowledge, yes. They are a fairly wealthy family, so they live all over the place. And to the best of my knowledge, again, I haven't been involved with the trust administration, but I think there is a little bit of contention among the beneficiaries right now, so they're not communicating with each other to the best of my knowledge. So that could give an explanation as to their hesitancy or lack of communication. But again, I'm not their attorney. I have no personal, relationship or connection to the beneficiary. So your guess is as good as mine.
Are we required to put a timeline for the signing of this?
Can we put a
Well,
limit
he's
on
going to
this?
sign it today, right? So we
No,
can,
he's signing the stipulation,
Waiver.
but I'm talking about the,
As counsel of record, he has authority to sign it today if he feels comfortable.
Yeah, I have received authority from Jared Marshall, which I think we spoke about before, the lead attorney.
Yeah.
He's fine with signing the waiver. If it's all the same, I would like to get an electronic print copy. My handwriting's not the best, so if perhaps we can get that sent over to my office today, Brian, I can get that signed and faxed back to you today, hopefully along with the stipulations for SO1 and SO3 as well. And then, again, as soon as we hear from, the beneficiary's other attorney, we will get those signed and over to you as quick as possible. I can assure you, I don't want to drive over here and have you guys see me and hear me just as much as you do.
Well, with you having Jarrett's authority, I think you can go ahead and sign it.
Yeah, I would say go ahead and sign it, and even if you want an electronic copy, none of us have great handwriting.
Yeah. Well, yeah, if you could we get an electronic copy in front of me now? Is that possible maybe to have someone in the back prepare, and I could sign that before I leave today?
Yeah, I can have one printed up.
Perfect, sounds good.
On the, or the stip to waive time form, it can either be, I guess, open-ended, or there is a spot on the form to, put a date certain.
And what date would you like?
I think our next
September?
schedule, yeah.
Can we do September?
The next hearing? The
Yeah.
next hearing date?
We were going to request that the September meeting be canceled, but do you think you could?
October?
Yeah, if,
Do it October.
again, I don't want to prolong this thing any more than you guys do, so if
Well, it
you
can
give
cancel. I was
us,
thinking-
it's your prerogative to call the deadline. I'm certainly not gonna request a shorter deadline, but again, I will let you guys make that decision.
Well, Brian, with no September hearing, is October okay?
That would be fine, too.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm hoping, in a week or so, he calls and says, here they are, but.
So when the
Yeah,
motion,
hopefully.
when the motion to accept should state October then?
Yeah, October,
I make a motion to accept October for the time frame for getting everything together on this.
I think we should be specific, October 1st.
October
That's
1st.
the next
The
meeting.
October 1st meeting.
Second?
We have a first and second to continue this till the October 1st meeting. So we'll hopefully have it all wrapped up by then.
Yep.
Thank you. So all in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed? None. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, so now we're moving on to, we are at the 5P, AAB 0034, HR Hospitality, which is 24R010. And do we have anything going with that one?
There's a withdrawal on that one.
Withdrawal? Oh, good, yes, we have
There
a
was,
withdrawal.
oh, yes,
The
that's
next
right.
two.
We have to accept that withdrawal.
I'm going to send an email.
Yeah, we have to make a motion to accept it, but
I'll make a motion to accept the withdrawal on the 24R010.
Second,
we have a first and second, all in favor?
aye.
Aye.
All opposed, none. So that is withdrawn. Moving on to 5Q, we have a withdrawal also on that one.
I make a motion, we accept the withdrawal on 24R012.
I second.
We have a first and second, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Okay. The last, is that 5Q? That was 5Q, huh?
Yeah, it's be
So
5R.
5R, it's 037 Patel Nick, 24R013. What do we have on that one? Looks like he hasn't showed up.
I spoke with the agent about a week and a half ago. She provided some information, but the property was recently purchased and was in, the contention was the hotel, it's another hotel up in Oakhurst. The contention was that the hotel had been shut down for most of 2023. The property was an older property, and it has been, during that period where they were shut down, was substantially remodeled. I I don't see that there's a lot of value decline between, we valued it as an older hotel, and then on January 1st, 2024, it was a newly remodeled hotel.
Wouldn't that cause a new valuation anyway if it was
Well,
substantially constructed?
They didn't, they didn't pull any permits, so we weren't aware of the remodel. And that's not to say that they had to have permits. But notably, they did not report any additions or deletions on their business property statement in the last 3 years. So we have,
So they should have.
yeah, we have some work to do on this one. But my recommendation for this particular appeal is that you uphold our value.
Okay.
Well, let me ask a dumb question. Being that they're not here on
They're
their
in
day,
the agenda.
Or deny with prejudice, however you want to.
that's what I was just wondering. What would you prefer, Brian?
I guess the deny with prejudice would be better.
So if I can just chime in for a moment, they should have requested the continuance at the last meeting and should personally appeared like Colton did, and they did not. And nor are they here today to request any continuance.
Yeah.
Good record.
And they were aware they needed to be present.
Or
They were
request-
informed properly. They have also been noticed with the prior board action from the last meeting. And I also sent them an email letting them know if they wished for any continuances that they needed to appear in person.
Okay, so we're going to,
May I ask a question? Where is this property located?
It's on
Where?
Oakhurst, it's.
Oakhurst?
I believe it's called Enel now. Years ago, it was the Ramada. It's across from,
Okay, it's right on the corner of 41. and
correct,
Railroad.
41 and 49. It's-
Okay.
They did that, all of that with no permits?
She's sued.
Okay.
That's what I was
They
wondering.
took it down to the studs.
Yeah,
Seriously.
like I said, until she sent the information over last
Stud
week,
permit.
we kind of started researching it, and there's definitely some issues there.
Are they following the rule? It's better to ask forgiveness than permission.
Say deny with prejudice, I mean.
will they be able to come back again and re-appeal?
Not with prejudice.
No.
No.
Well, it's like, do they understand the law, the rules? Well, it's up to you guys. I mean, we could go ahead and make a motion to deny it.
I make a motion to deny it with prejudice.
We have a first, we have a second?
Yeah, I will second that. They should have been informed.
We will deny the 24R013 Nick Patel's with prejudice for not coherent with the rules and regulations.
We need to vote.
We have a first and a second, so all in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
All opposed? None.
Can I ask a question? Because I didn't have a paperwork on what the charge was that you guys had come up with.
You can
It's
open
in
it
there.
up.
I did, but I didn't see it.
And
Ms. Anderson, do you have the application itself?
You know what?
Wait,
Hang on
I think
just a
it's-
second. Let me
Yeah,
look.
it's in there.
Attachment, no. The stipulation of assessed value, it's not there. I'm not seeing it.
There is no stipulation
Yeah,
of
there wouldn't
assessed
be a
value.
stipulation in
It's
this
just the
case.
application itself.
No-show.
and it shows the tax.
Oh, and you didn't have the value in there? What
It
what
shows the
was?
tax bill.
It's on their application, and the tax
Okay.
bill should be included as well.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, this is what I was looking for and I couldn't find.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and continue with that. We're canceling, we're denying it. Deny it for, with
Make a
prejudice.
motion and we second it. That already denied. Thank
So
you.
it's denied. All right, so that is the end of item number 5. We're going to go to number 6, stipulations of assessed value. And
There are none.
there are none, so good. We're going to move on to number 7, actions items discussed with direction, which is 5A, request to cancel the September 3rd, 26th meeting.
Correction, it's 7A.
What did I say?
You said 5A.
Excuse me, 7A. Okay, 7A, do we have a motion to cancel that meeting, that's September 3rd?
I motion that we cancel that meeting, September 3rd.
Do we have a second?
Second.
We have a first and second, all in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, none. So no September meeting. We're going to meet in October 1st. Next, we have staff reports and updates. Do we have anything to discuss with the appraisers?
Well, these appeals today represented the last of the 2024s, so we will begin scheduling the 2025s shortly. Probably have a couple we'll try and get in October, and go from there.
You guys are doing a
Brian, how
tremendous
do
job.
November and December look? Or do you know yet?
Well, we have, in quantity, a little more appeals than usual, but one of them is one of them's the same owner for a number of parcels. So I think from that standpoint, it's probably close to a normal year.
Okay.
Well, I have to say, you guys are doing a great job. We really appreciate you guys are on top of it. And if we're doing 25, then we're on schedule, I believe.
Close.
I second that.
I
Okay.
third that.
So is there anything else that we need to discuss?
We'll have a better idea what November and December will look like at your next meeting in October.
Okay. By then, we're going to go with the new e-scribe that we're doing now, the programs.
Yes, when we get everything up and everybody's passwords corrected, and it should be a smoother transition. So if I can ask everyone to come in early again in October, I would really appreciate it. Hopefully, it'll be a smoother process.
Okay, well, this meeting comes to adjourn. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. I don't think we need to
By
vote that, do
December, you'll be an IT expert.
we? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Recording stopped.